Right, here we're going to do MandM question 20. We need to know our prime numbers really well to be able to do products of primes. So prime numbers have only two factors, and those factors are 1 and themselves. So 1 and the number itself is a prime number. So we'll have a look at a few prime numbers. We'll see that the number 3 is a prime number because it's made up of 1 times 3. 5 is a prime number because it's made up of 1 times 5. But 4 is not a prime number because although it's made up of 1 times 4, it is also made up of 2 times 2. And so what we do there, we have 3 factors. 1, 2, and 4 are the 3 factors of 4. But a prime number has only 2 factors. So 1 and 3 are the 2 factors for 3, and 1 and 5, 2 factors for 5. So the only even prime number, there's a word missing there, so let's put it in. The only even prime number is the number 2. All other even numbers have 2 as a factor as well as 1 and itself, so they're not prime numbers. We need to know the first 10 prime numbers. So the first 10 prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. It will help if you learn those, especially the first 5 or 6. Those are the most important, and those are the ones we commonly use. So to write a number as products of primes, we keep dividing by prime numbers into all the factors of prime. So let's take this example of 20. Well, 20 can be divided by 2. That gives an answer of 10. So 20 is made up of 2 times 10. Now 10 is not prime. So you go, well, 10 can be divided by 2. 2 divided by 10 is 5. So 10 is made up of 2 times 5. So there we have it. 2 times 2 times 5. Or we can write it as 2 squared times 5. There is the number 20 as a product of primes. Let's try it again with 3, 2, 4. Well, you might think, what goes into there? First of all, I'm going to start off dividing it by 2. So when I get that, I get 162. So 2 times 162 makes 324. 162 is even, so it's not prime, so I can divide it again by 2. That gives me 81. So 2 times 2 times 81 is 324. Now 81 is not prime, but I know that 81 can be divided by 3. That gives me 27. And so I know that 2 times 2 times 3 times 27 is 324. 27 is not prime, so I can go 27 divided by 3. That gives me 9. And I know 9 is made up of 3 times 3. So what is this? It is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 3 3s are 9. Times 3 is 27. 81. Double 81. And you get 162. Double that, 324. So we could also write that as 2 to the power of 2 times 3 to the power of 4. So that's how we write numbers as products of primes. Keep dividing until you get them all in terms of prime numbers. Cheers, that's our number section done.